Today, we go talk about how God take start everything from Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 to 10. But not only that one, we go also see how God give man small of in creative power wey make us fit invent things. For the beginning, na God create heaven and earth. God na the first creator. He start everything from nothing. That time, everywhere just dey empty. Darkness cover the whole place and water full ground. But God's spirit dey waka on top of the water. Everything first dey scatter, but God get plan. Then God say, make light show and light appear. Na just in word and light show, see power. God see say the light good, so he separate am from darkness. Everything wey God do na for order and purpose. God see say the light good, so he separate am from darkness. Everything wey God do na for order and purpose. God talk again say, make space dey between the water wey dey up and the water wey dey down. So God separate the water, put some for up and put some for down, and it happen like that. God call the space sky. That na how the second day take waka go. God come talk say, make the water wey dey ground gather for one side, so dry land go show. And it happen like that. God call the dry land earth, and he call the water wey gather sea. And God see say e good. My people, see as God take use only in word create everything. He just talk am and it happen. But not be only God get creative mind. He give us small of that power too. Man fit turn sand to glass, build house and make road. Just like how God separate land from water, we too fit control our environment. We don create light, that is electricity, make phone and even go space. Na the same way God talk, make light show. Now we dey create our own light. We dey use technology design things, build machines and even cure sickness. God give us brain to think, plan and create better things for life. The ogbonge lessons wey we learn from today's Bible reading from Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 10 be say, God create us in his own image and he put that creative spirit for inside us. But the question be say, how you dey use your own creativity? You dey use am to bless others? You dey use am to bring light, or you dey bring darkness? Abeg, if you enjoy this kind Bible talk, abeg make you subscribe, like and share, so many people go hear this word of God. You fit still drop your comment if you get any question. God bless you. We go see for the next episode.